Hi, ako si Kyle. Ngayong araw ay daraan kami sa Equator at kapag ang barko ay daraan dito, nagbibigay kami ng ritual o baptismo sa mga bagong manlalayag. Ang Equator matatagpuan sa kalagitnaan ng Earth kung saan niya hinahati ang North at South Hemisphere. At ngayong araw, samahan niyo ako, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano kami magbigay ng ritual sa mga bagong manlalayag.
We meet again, my dear NG resolution.
Now, under these nine waters, and the first of the emperors that swear their allegiance to the king of the seas, this ship will be sent back to the perilous shore of Antarctica, and will never be permitted to cross again. With Neptunia! Without information. Astronomers, can you tell me? Around the equator, because we cannot cross this.
We are on equator indeed.
How can you know? It's raining. I don't trust.
Can you measure
I have
declination?
GPS on my watch.
Kiss them, please. Kiss them.
Isang mabilis na shoutout lang po. Shoutout kay Mirza Santos, Arsenio Gomez, RJ Espina, Prince Datured Salibo, Jonathan Martinez, Vincent Planos, Bersola Jericho, Francis Abrahan, Ruel de la Cruz, Jerhan Jailani, Custodio Regan, Jean Patrick Lanciola, Charlie, Lakay Ilocos Sur for Region, kay Eddie Boy Makaranas, shoutout sa'yo, malapit ka na mag-join Eddie Boy. Ken Be Good, Judith Irinco, Baby Founder, Brian Tumalon, kay Roger Sabando, Kebs Frankenstein, John Abanid, Joshua Garalda, at syempre sa mga high school classmate ko na sina Jonathan Kabakungan at Raymond Victorino. Ingat kayo dyan mga sir, salamat.